do some scooter stuff right now, you heard me? I don't know, this man talking about me doing backflip, he crazy, but he can backflip. I'm not gonna do it, but he can do it, so we gonna do this.
You can do it.
See?
What is up, you guys? We're here today with special guest, Raymond Warner.
What's up, guys?
Let's give him a hand. So it's been a little while since you've been here.
Yes.
So I heard you saying that you haven't been here since the place flooded.
Yeah, that's correct. Before it was a lot less quarter pipes and a lot less wall as well.
And a lot less speed.
A lot less speed.
A lot less speed. So
That's
this is the
true.
Braillehouse 2.0. This is our brand new baby. Us and Team Payne, hours upon hours of hard labor, we got this place done. But now we want you to just completely shred it.
I'd be happy to.
Thank you. And that's the point of this video right here, is this man destroying the place. And we're just gonna watch and in awe at the backflips that go down. That Nigel is gonna do later, right?
Yes, yes, bro.
You might get one out of me.
Yeah!
Yes, okay.
All right,
That's
so you can take it away.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
What? Mercy.
Nigel, you can do that.
Oh my God, that was sick. Heck yeah.
All right, let's do this.
I messed up.
That was dope.
That one was a little close.
Bro, what are you doing?
Let's go.
You're gonna break my bolt. Bro. Yo, the tire is straight flat.
You have another electric toy now? Here.
Everything in my mind thought I had.
The extension, he's just like,
do not understand that. How do you go backwards? I'll jump this one first. I was going for the jump on the mega. Whoa! Voice crack. Oh. Your turn. There she is.
Yeah, we're good.
Well, it was against my bar though. I was like this. I gotta do it again to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, like. Almost off the side. You see that? Yeah. Oh, man.
Oh, that's gonna look beautiful.
I'll try. Sorry, this looks weird. Yo! Auto flip. Yeah, you wanna hear something funny? Yes, I do. The whole time I was like doing that, I kept riding back and dropping in, trying it. The whole time, I thought Thor was a real person. The whole time, bro. I looked up, I was like, oh. All right, that one worked. That was crazy. Thanks, boys.
Bar's spin shifty. That's MBD. Well, the gap, no one's hit that gap.
Boy.
First person to hit the gap.
Thank you. you.
Oh my goodness.
Thanks. Cool.
I got that in slow-mo.
Oh, I learned like 4 months ago, right after I left this place, I learned how to do like a hand plant, but it's not like inverted, it's like this way. And I could try it on the wall.
How did he go to flat so easy?
I could try like tuck knee it. I'm not. That's risky. It is risky. Yeah.
Well, after that incredible session, what do you think?
I love it.
Great park?
It's so much fun. Everything is nice and smooth. Everything seems strong. I like the gray. You guys kept the gray. I like that, and it's a really fun park. The gaps are good. Well done.
Thank you
well
so
done.
much. This guy right here, he's literally a legend. You're like a legend,
Thank
dude. You had Glow over here saying like, yo, he's the GOAT. That's amazing. So you have a YouTube channel.
I do.
You have an Instagram.
I do.
All of that stuff will be in the description below. You definitely need to go support our boy Raymond. He's incredible. It's unfathomable. I never thought that this stuff is like possible. So
It's a lot of fun, and half the stuff that you guys do, I think the same thing. I'm like, oh, okay, I don't know how. Like his early grab 3, I was confused the whole time.
well, mad respect.
Thanks, boys.
So yeah, definitely check him out. Links in the description below. Check them out. Do not forget, go do it right now. And there's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you guys, yes you, go out to your skate park, have a good time, learn how to skate.
Always.
What are you doing? Why are you just always doing something?